Alright guys, I'm gonna do a quick bike check for you. I got quite a few new things. Alright, start at the top. Still have the ODI grips with ODI bar ends. Still the monolever. Still need to get a brake cable. I'm getting an Odyssey slick cable. I have Sunday free stem with blue shadow hollow bolts. And I kind of custom painted the shadow. The Sunday stem. And then I have a red spacer, Cane Creek headset, the Answer-Sith forks, Alias Rocks hubs, white titanium spokes, stolen revolver, still a Fit FAF. Now I do have the Hyper 22-inch limo frame, 2012. Yeah, it's pretty good frame. I haven't got to ride it that much yet. Still not finished, almost done, but getting all my stuff in probably next couple days. Got the Animal Cush seat. It's pretty squishy. Sunday seat clamp, stolen Thermalite seat post, Shimano SLX cranks, really nice cranks, amazing. Krupi chainring bolts, Shimano 42 tooth sprocket. I'm ordering a new MCS 44 tooth in red. Shimano SPD pedals, pretty good pedals, I like them. Shimano bottom bracket. You need a crap load of spacer. Look at that. Yeah, you need a shit ton of spacers. I have brake mounts. I just don't. They're the same as the other one, Tektro. I just don't have them on right now, so I can coast around. And I'm getting a Rhythm chain, a Rhythm full length chain. In the back, I have Alias Rocks laced with titanium spokes to a stolen revolver to a Fit FAF. Alright, and my bars are 8.75 rise and 31 wide. Alright, rate and comment.